welcome to another Loot Crate unboxing video. Today we're unboxing the quest-themed crate. Alright, let's begin. Alright, so right off, the crate is not as big as it normally is, but it's got a cool looking maze inside of it, so I'm looking forward to solving that. But first off, we got our shirt. Mummies!
Who is that guy in the front?
It's the Goblin.
Goblin. They didn't know that. Who taught them that?
Me.
Okay.
Alright, off to the side, and now next off we have some Harry Potter stuff.
Let me zoom in. I'm zooming in. Zoom. There they are. Very
Alright,
cool.
Next up we have a horn.
Open that up. What is that? Is that the cord for the harness to hold your horn? Very cool.
Alright, next up we have this little box here. What it is. Step 1, put your top and bottom together. Step 2, pour water into the top. Fill with water approximately 90% full. Freeze for about 6 to 8 hours. A 20-sided dye ice mold.
20-sided dye ice mold.
Let's pop this cup open then. It's a mold of 20-sided dice. So,
And it makes the numbers.
Very cool.
that's good.
Whoa!
Now,
Running
use the force
away.
now. Yeah, see,
It
I
wants
know.
to go on its own quest.
Alright, so it's got a little tab so that you know which side you're putting it on and if you're putting it on correctly. So you just fill it with water to, I'm guessing, about here.
Mm-hmm.
Or here, even, if you want to be extra adventurous. And then you just close it up and drop it in your freezer for however long you feel like it needs to take before it freezes.
All right.
But next off, we got ourselves a little poster. Let's see what this poster looks like.
What is this poster?
I am a man of fortune and must seek my fortune. Uncharted 4.
It's Daddy's!
Uncharted 4
Daddies are mine, one of the two.
video games.
And this is the pin.
It's a 20-sided dice.
Yeah. That's what it is.
It's a 20-sided dice.
Not really. It's only
A pin of a 20-sided dice.
4
Yeah.
sides of the 20-sided dice.
And what's the article? What's the main article from the Loot
so-
Crate magazine?
Let's see. Main article. Welcome, traveler. Ooh, there's a shake.
Shake.
Mythic mixology. And you can. Oh, this is a cup. It's a drinking cup.
Oh, got it.
Just what I
Yeah, that's
wanted.
pretty cool. All right.
What's the mega crate this month?
Flipping to it. Harry Potter socks. Letter from the quest. I'm gonna have to read through this.
Keep going.
I'm looking for it.
Mega crate. We want to know what's in the mega crate.
Hurry up.
Sleep.
Doesn't say. It doesn't seem to say it in here.
What?
Oh, there it is. I found it. Mega
It's
crate.
unheard of.
One lucky winner. It's a $2,000 value this time. One. Shh. Let me speak.
Tell us what's in the mega crate, Dallas.
It's one Harry Potter hardcover collectible set, so it comes in like this trunk.
Cool.
One.
We like Harry
one
Potter.
First 4 figures Legend of Zelda Twilight Sword Princess Zelda. Right here.
Very cool.
1 through 3 of History Channel's Vikings on Blu-ray.
Whoa.
1 gold iPad Mini, 16 gigs with Wi-Fi.
Sweet.
I complete.
Can never have too many iPad minis.
Yeah.
Ariana died. From
Ariana fell off the
One complete
quest.
bundle of Jazzware's Adventure Time.
Exit
pledge
stage
tickets.
left of the quest.
She left on her quest, yeah.
What else?
And then the mini crate is they would get a 16mm copper metal dice set and a Harry Potter wand pen and a bookmark set.
Very cool.
Yeah.
So what do we always say?
Thank you.
Thanks, Lootcrate!
Yeah.
Bye, guys.
Turns out it's a three-dimensional puzzle, actually.
Woo!